How to find call recordings on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you have recorded a phone call using Apple's built-in call recording feature, then iPhone will directly send the call recording to your Notes app. So go ahead and open the Notes application on your device, and here go ahead and tap on the call recordings folder, and you can then go ahead and view all your call recordings in this particular interface. You can tap on the play option or the play button you see here to listen to the call recording. And just in case if you don't see the call recording option, then you can also tap on the search bar and search for call recording, and you will be able to view your call recording. You can then go ahead and additionally search for contact's name or phone number or keywords from the note title in order to open the matching note to access the recording. And just in case if you cannot find the call recordings, make sure that your iPhone supports built-in call recording feature and is running a compatible version. Also make sure to check that the recording completed successfully, and just in case if you used a third-party recording app, then open that particular app as the recordings are typically stored there instead of the Notes app. So this was about how you can find call recordings on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.